YTO token, Pendle.
Let's start with this.
Pendle is the first protocol that enables the trading of tokenized future yield on an AMM system. We aim to give holders of yield-generating assets the opportunity to generate additional yield and to lock in future yield upfront, while offering traders direct exposure to future yield streams without the need for an underlying collateral. With Pendle, you can always maximize your yield, increase your yield exposure in bull markets, and hedge against yield downturns during bear markets. Pendle is a permissionless yield trading protocol where users can execute various yield management strategies. There are three main parts to fully understand Pendle. Yield tokenization. First, Pendle will wrap yield-bearing tokens into SY standardized yield tokens, which is a wrapped version of the underlying yield-bearing token that is compatible with the Pendle AMM, for example Steth SY Steth. SY is then split into its principal and yield components, PT principal token and YT yield token respectively. This process is termed as yield tokenization, where the yield is tokenized into a separate token. Pendle AMM. Both PT and YT can be traded via Pendle's AMM. Even though this is the core engine of Pendle, understanding of the AMM is not required to trade PT and YT. The Pendle. By creating a yield market in DeFi, Pendle unlocks the full potential of yield, enabling users to execute advanced yield strategies, such as details. IO Binance Launchpool, July 4th, 2023, July 28th, 2023. Token supply, 251,061,120 for Pendle. Raised, $15,530,000. I have come to the end of this video. For further details about Pendle, kindly visit their website in the description below this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.